Parliamentary elections were held in Somaliland on 31 May 2021, alongside local district elections. The election was the region's first parliamentary election since 2005, and politicians pointed to the election as evidence of political stability. Three parties, the populist Somaliland National Party, the center-left Justice and Welfare Party, and the ruling party, the liberal Kulmiye Peace, Unity, and Development Party, put forward 246 candidates who competed for 82 seats in the House of Representatives. More than 1 million people, out of about 4 million residents total, registered to vote. On 6 June, the National Electoral Commission announced that Waddani had received a plurality of seats with 31, Kulmiye received 30, and UCID received 21. As no party had received an outright majority, Waddani and UCID announced they would form a political alliance. The election was tentatively scheduled and postponed numerous times since the last parliamentary election in 2005. The vote was scheduled for March and then August 2019 before the NEC declared it could not be held that year. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.